great day here at Total Wireless team. Let's get to it. Today what we're doing is we're going to cover bill pays. We're going to cover Simple Mobile, Total Wireless, Page Plus, NetSend, and your favorite track phone. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and open up the POS system. We're going to initially have our customer in front of us or over the phone. So what we want to do is ask the customer for their phone number, verify they're in our system, and then proceed with the transaction. In this instance, I'm using Miss Nicole Ellis. She's a good customer of ours, and she's on Simple Mobile. Now, what we do is go and make a payment. We're going to go ahead and select the provider. You can type this in or we can just look it up. So now we get to the most important part of this video. So now we have one thing on the left here that says PIN that's highlighted, and we have another that says TF Multi-Line Redemption. So these are going to differentiate just as far as if a customer has paid their bill or not. If the customer has overlapped on their bill or has lost service, you'd want to do a PIN. And we're going to go through that in a second. Right now what I want to cover is the right. So it's TF Multi-Line Redemption. So this is specifically for when customers on Simple Mobile are currently still up to date with their service, have a few service days left, whatnot. So what we do is we click on this. It's going to ask us for our phone number. So we'll go ahead and put the customer's phone number in. Verify this is the customer's phone number. We click continue. And here on the right tab, you'll see that it'll automatically apply the $50 and then the $25 discount. There we go. So 2 lines for $75. Now all we need to figure out if the customer's paying with cash or card. If there is a card, there is a $3 fee included. And I just showed you how to add that. Once we go through this whole process, we'll cash them out, make sure everything's good. At that point, your pins will be in queue, and as soon as their last service day ends, we'll be able to go back in there and automatically apply those pins. So what we're going to do here again is go to the same customer and go to a different scenario. What we're going to do is go to make a payment. We're going to go to Simple Mobile. We're going to stay on the pins. And this is again for when a customer has overlapped or just lost their service. So we're going to click on the desired plan that they want. This is a $50 plan. Perfect. We're going to go ahead and boom. Say for the sake of argument, we paid this. Once we're done paying, it'll generate a PIN. It will generate a PIN, and I'll show you what it should look like here. So let's say we're done with this transaction. And again, nothing what I'm doing right now is relevant to the training right now. So I'm really just showing you exactly what the receipt would look like after you cash somebody out. And I'm just showing you from something yesterday, and I'll show you how to do it again. So here we go. So I'm going to go to Daniel Gullett. Once you click on this, I'm going to show you what the receipt looks like after the transaction is complete and what we're going to do here. So once this is pulled up, we want to look at this at 100%. We're going to go to page 2, and as you see here, we have the PIN. Now Ms. Gullett decided to use a $40 PIN. So what we do is write this down, and we're going to go to our TF-DAP. Once we are in our TF-DAP, we'll log in using our respective logins. And once we are on this screen, we are going to go to customer or subscriber tools, excuse me. We're going to go to PIN redemption. And we're going to apply the PIN manually. Now, if it for some reason says that you cannot apply the PIN because it is past due, what we do is instead go to activate with PIN. We're going to select our brand. We would input the PIN, but first we need to click what it is. This is a type SIM, IMEI, or reactivation. We're going to click reactivation. We're going to type in the 15-digit PIN. We're going to type in the zip code and the customer's phone number. Now obviously this PIN has been used already, so it's not going to go through, and it is a false PIN. So this is just showing you how to do this. It also has instructions here on how to use it. These tools are very useful, and this is great knowledge to have. This is stuff that you can work around that you're going to need to know. boom, like I expected, unexpected error occurred. This is because this is a false pin and the number is not correct. That is exactly how you do that. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact your administrator, anybody else, and let's move on to the next video.